Okay, so we're going to talk about the GPS logger that's used to test the position of like an aircraft or a car. Today we're going to do a driving test from the RadioBro office to the Space and Rocket Center, which is a museum nearby. So we'll unbox it here. It's a very simple installation. So we have a power cable from the car, so it's just a car adapter and a GPS antenna, and everything else is inside the box here. So let's place the antenna. Run this down. We'll put it through the sunroof just for this car, and we'll put everything else inside. Okay, so we're going to just plug in with the 12 volt from the car and plug into the DC power jack on the side, and then we've got that antenna from the roof, little SMA, maybe. Okay, and let's power it up. So all we have to do is apply power, attach the antenna, make sure the antenna is in clear view of the sky, make sure the SD card is in position, and then turn it on. And we see the blue light. And we're waiting on these all to turn blue. No, I'm sorry, green. So we have the first green, that means it is booted up and running. Now we're waiting for the GPS lock. Okay, it is not locked yet, but there is a signal. It is strong. It is recording. So while it gets GPS lock, let's go ahead and connect to the network. It's actually a Wi-Fi signal here, so it should pop up as RBGPS 04. So let's see. Is it on other, maybe? Oh, I found it. There we go. Okay, and we tested it earlier, so we typed in the password already. In this case, it was just all uppercase GPS logger. And now we're going to go to the website by the IP address, and the website is 192.168.17.1. And this is going to load as a website, whether it's on an iPhone or an Android or on a laptop or even on a desktop, it could work. You don't have to actually run this on Wi-Fi, but it's nice to see the data in real time, so we can see the satellite information updating in real time. And then later we'll be able to download the CSV files with all the information. Just to get started here, let's go ahead and clear the log files, and that's going to erase the data. That way we're starting off with new files. All right, let's go. We have GPS lock now. It's less than 1 meter accuracy with the cloud visibility, with the visibility direct and very minimal clouds. So here you go. Let's drive away.
Buckle up, safety.
You can actually close it if you want. And we'll We're still good lock. Let's see. Yep, got all the speed and everything located on there. Great. We set it up so that the customer doesn't need to have it open. If they don't want to, they can actually leave it closed and underneath a seat or somewhere else that's less convenient in the vehicle during the test.
That's more convenient?
Oh, well, physically, that way you don't have to literally see it. Some test equipment requires you to have it like in your lap and running it, and that's not necessary here. 0.47?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, great.
About half a meter. Which is however many feet. I have no idea.
So let's see, we've got all the files here. Both the files are available now for the position and the satellite connection information. So if the user ever wanted to cross-check what the datum is or which satellites are actually being used, that's no problem. We've been driving around now just for about 5 minutes. We're down to less than 1/3 of 1 meter, so approximately 1 foot accuracy with the system on the latitude and longitude, and on vertical we're at 0.51 meters. So I'm just going to zoom in real quick so you can see the latitude, longitude, and the altitude accuracy. We're using a very modern chipset on the inside of the logger. That way it could be used to cross-check existing system built-in GPSs. Maybe the vehicle already has a GPS that's been integrated and you just need a truth source. The nature of this product is to do that cross-check with even more accuracy than you're expecting out of your main system. All right, let's go mount this to the rocket and do a flight test. Okay, we're going to do just a shutdown. We're going to extract the data over SD card this time instead of downloading it through the website. And all we have to do is turn it off and we're good. I'll go ahead and unplug it as well while we're here and we'll pick it up. Okay.